Drawing reserve power.
Sparks! I'll deal with you myself. Come, my robots! Destroy him!
Take them down. Can you see them, sir?
Activate the Tesla!
Reserve power at...
Shut that thing off!
Reserve power at 58%.
Sparks! Rear in. Reroute the fuel tanks. Prepare to drop on my mark.
Reserve power at 34%.
Reroute power to the coils.
Warning. Critical power failure is imminent.
Damn it, Sparks. Throw everything at him! Everything!
Get him, sir.
Magnets, and there. Sparks, bring them in!
Warning. Warning. Power failure in 10,
Come
9,
on, come on!
8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1.
Sparks, get the power back on! Emergency power then! This is a Dover scourge. I will not rest until I see the Commonwealth free of you.
Why are you accusing me of being a bad guy?
You've destroyed my robot allies. They seek to save the people of the Commonwealth, and yet you deliberately stand in their way.
I'm not a villain. I just want you to hear me out. Face to face.
Very well. I will hear you out. But only for the sake of the Commonwealth. Sparks, with me! Silver Shroud is no common criminal. Let us discuss this amicably.
Unmask yourself, Mechanist, and stand ready for judgment.
You're right. I'm no match for the Silver Shroud.
There. Now we both know who we're dealing with.
Again, you cast me as the villain? Oh, but it is you with your rampaging robots.
They have taken innocent lives. My friends, they were simple traitors, all dead at the hands of your robots.
No, that can't be right. The robots are programmed to protect. Their subroutines are clean. Observe, evaluate, and react accordingly. The testing was thorough. I ran every scenario, all passed.
The blood of innocence was spilled. Your own lackey confessed. Her twisted logic leading to tragedy.
Saving by killing? No, it's the logic. It's there. I can see it now. I was hoping it was the robo-brains, an issue with their memory wipes. But you're right. Their primary directive was flawed.
So, the veil is lifted and the truth revealed. Your technological hubris is to blame.
I wanted to help the Commonwealth. And robots are all I know. I found this place and figured I could finally do my part. I accept full responsibility. I can't take back what I've done, or even atone for it. But this doesn't have to end in violence.
Though your action initially appeared felonious, your intent was not. Seek redemption, Mechanist. You have much to atone for.
Done. Consider it done. And you won't regret this. I promise. None of the Commonwealth will. Here, take this. It's the password to the mainframe. You can use it to shut down the security protocols. I'd rather this place be in your hands now.
Mechanist.
Use the password to shut down the security. After that, the base is yours. Just one more thing, if you have a minute.
What's up?
Just quick, I just wanted to say I'm really, and in order to show you that it's the...
Sure. You really don't want it anymore?
No. It's part of it. There's one more thing. There are still robots. My communications are down, and I can't call them back.
Seriously?
Quite a few. There's a lot of ground to cover on the Commonwealth, so...
Actually, I'd like to trade a few things.
Oh, okay. Maybe...
Isabel, are you tracking any more of your rogue bots?
Oh, right. Let me see if I can pick up a signal.
Do you think there are any...
Well, let me see. In case I haven't said it enough, I really am sorry about this.
What started all this? The suit, the robots. Try me.
That's easy to... I just didn't have much in the way of friends while Sparks was my very first creation. My very first real friend. The General Atomics Factory originally drew me to the Commonwealth. I never expected to also find this entire military base dedicated to robotics. But I did. So I did what I knew best. I built amazing robots and hoped to save the Commonwealth. And I guess you know the rest of that story.
Do you feel like the robots betrayed you?
In a sense.
Right.
I look at everything I did and managed to... And it all blew up in my face. Anyway, I better...
Excuse me.
Thanks again for helping me try to make this right.
So tell me, why the Mechanist? How'd you come up with...
I found the idea. It was like... So I took what I could. It was too late to save that.
All this inspired...
I know how it sounds. I used to...
At least you tried.
True.
Bye.
I hope those robots aren't giving you too much trouble.
How are you doing?
Not bad.
Yes, sir?
Ada?
Your return is a relief. Looking at all this equipment makes me feel right at home.
Would you be disappointed to...
I do have conflicting outlooks if that is the case. But I trust your judgment.
I got her to see the truth.
So the Mechanist, did she reveal her...
She truly wanted to help people. She didn't know what the robo-brains were...
A biological wild card. The unknowns are many good people. It's a shame a mind as brilliant as...
Think it was a mistake?
It would be disrespectful of my friend's memory if I were to say yes. Though my personality programming harbors feelings of revenge, my friends taught me mercy. And mercy can have very...
She had good intentions.
Even good intentions need... Still, I now had the Mechanist's robots remained halting, if not with this knowledge. I am Find anything useful?